Hello there, so welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you can create an industry or factory WordPress website using Indusza theme that you can get from Theme Forest, or you can also get it from Envato Elements. So I will provide the link for that in the description. So let's see how we can install this theme. So here I have installed fresh WordPress and I have downloaded the theme. To install the theme we will go to Appearance and we will go to Themes, and here we will click on Add New Theme. We will click on Upload Theme and here we will choose the zip file. So here is the theme zip folder, but we don't need to upload this one, so we will have to extract it. So here it is extracted. We will open it and go to the package, and here we will have to install the parent theme first. So we will click on Install Now. It will take a little bit of time, so we need to wait. So here you can see that the theme is installed. We can click on Activate, and now we will need to click on Add New Theme again. To install the child theme, we will click on Upload Theme, click on Choose File, and now upload this one. Install now. And here click on Activate. So keep this child one active and the parent one should be inactive, but it should be installed. So here now go to Installed Plugins, and here you will see some plugins. So just click on Install and install all of them. You can install them one by one, or just click on Select All and click on Install to install all of them. So I have installed all of them. Now we need to go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and here we can select all of them and click on Activate. Now again go to Installed Plugins, and here you can see that all of them are installed. You can update all of them to the latest versions. Now again hover to the Appearance and click on Import Demo Data. And here you will see the demo. You can preview them and see which one you want to install. So this is the first one. And this one is the second one. So just click on Import Demo on the one that you want to install. And here you can check them. Click on Continue and Import. Now we need to wait a little bit so it can import the demo completely. So here you can see that the demo is installed. We can click on Visit Website. Here you can see that it's showing fine now. We can try to open any page. So you can see sub pages are also showing fine, just that the menu is not showing. So we'll go to the dashboard, and here we will go to menus. And here we can check mark this one, or we can choose this primary menu. So we can click on Save Menu and go to the website again, click on Refresh, and here you can see now it's showing. If you want to edit your website, you can edit it using Elementor. If you need any help, just let me know. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. I can help you in fixing the bugs of your website, in building your website, and if you are facing any kind of issue while creating your website, you can contact me for the help. If you want to edit this website, just go to YouTube and type edit existing website KM WebWorks. So just type this and watch this first video, and this is the complete guide on how you can add your content and how you can edit your existing WordPress website. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.